Today, I'm going to give you 5 steps on how to develop a very good website. Hello everyone, you're welcome to this web development and digital marketing channel. This is where we share tips, tricks and tactics, updates, upgrades and everything digital on the World Wide Web. My name is Kamira Geoffrey Elijah of KamiraGeoffrey.com. Today, I'm going to give you 5 steps on how to develop a very good website. Step 1, gathering information. Gathering information, sometimes referred to as fact-finding missions, refers to the collecting of all the data that is necessary and is going to appear on the website. For example, text, images, audios, presentations, and everything else that clients may deem necessary to appear on the website. During the information gathering, we need to understand the purpose of the website, we need to understand the goals of the website, we need to understand the target audience that we're looking at, we need to understand the content, the nature of content that is coming in. Is it going to be images? Is it going to be videos? Is it going to be text strictly? Is it going to be mixed up? All that during the fact-finding mission, we need to put it in black and white. Step 2, analyze and planning. Like the saying goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. You must have also heard that every 1 minute spent in the planning process saves you 10 minutes in the execution process. So here is where we get into the nitty-gritty and we come up with a well-orchestrated plan that works well for the target audience, the developer, and the client. Stage 3, this is the design process. The design process involves wireframing, prototyping, site maps, site flows. We basically come up with a vision, the user experience, the user interface, how it's going to look like when it goes live on the World Wide Web. We need to know and align where the text is supposed to be, where the image is supposed to be, the footer, the header, the sidebar, the links, and everything else. Step 4, the development process. The development process, here is where we get our hands dirty. We get into the real coding. Now this is where the developers do their best. We use languages like HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We use CSS, this is Cascading Style Sheet. We use JavaScript, we use PHP, we use SQL, that is for databases. There are some websites that don't need databases, but some do. If they do, then the SQL comes in. The database has to be able to retrieve and input and store data as and when it's required, and at a terrific speed. Step number 5, testing and deployment. Testing refers to finding out whether the website is actually working as required and expected. So we start with the browser. There are so many browsers. There's Opera, there's Mozilla Firefox, there's Google Chrome, there's Internet Explorer, name them, there's so many. But they all respond differently to the websites. 2 is the responsiveness of the website. Usually, the biggest number of people lately are accessing the internet through the mobile phones. It's not like the desktops of way back. Lately, it's the mobile phones. So the approach we use is mobile first, tablet, PC, and then larger screens. So by so doing, we make sure the website is responsive. 3 is we need to test the functionality of the website. Many of the websites lately request people to subscribe, fill in their information, or make updates, or whatever it is that they're asking. That means there is a database in the background. So the functionality is the back end should connect with the front end so that the flow is smooth. Those are the 5 tips I had for you. But I'll give you one more for my subscribers, a bonus. That's maintenance. Maintenance is the constant upgrading of the websites. Many times people develop the website and they leave it at that, which is not a good thing. The style changes, the trends change, the preferences of the clients keep changing. So you have to change as they change. As you change, they also change. And this comes from the feedback that you get from the clients. If they don't like it, if it's giving them hard time, if it freezes, it hangs, this is all not good. You keep maintaining. The maintenance process is a constant process until you get the perfect website. So you, my friends, thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about the World Wide Web, you should consider subscribing. Hit the subscription button below, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that you get to know when a new video is out. This is a channel where we share tips, tricks, and tactics, updates, upgrades, and everything digital. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you should consider leaving them in the comment section below. Greetings from the deserts, and don't forget to check out my website at www.kamirageoffrey.com. You take care, peace and love. I'm out.